how to keep your shoes from smelling with these 7 home remedies. Hey everyone, Rob here from Remedies Insider, and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you 7 tricks to keep your shoes stink-free with home remedies. So if you're ready, let's go. Things like bacteria, sweat, and other foot problems or injuries can cause your shoes to smell. And we've all been there before with smelly shoes. And here are 7 tricks to keep your shoes from smelling with home remedies. Number 1, baking soda. A smelly shoe or sneaker is no match for the power of baking soda. For this remedy, liberally sprinkle baking soda in the smelly shoe and let it sit overnight. Now, if your shoe has laces, make sure to lace them up nice and tight and let them sit overnight with the baking soda inside your shoe. This just helps seal the baking soda in your shoe. And then, after 24 hours, simply dump out the baking soda. However, if you use this method with all leather shoes and baking soda, make sure you limit it to like once a month. If you repeat this too much with leather shoes, it will dry out your leather shoes. Number 2, fabric softener dryer sheets. This is a pretty cool trick that not too many people know about, and you can also use dryer sheets for other things like gym bags, etc. A fabric drying sheet makes for a great anti-smelling shoe remedy. For this method, simply tuck a new dryer fabric softener sheet into each sneaker and let them sit overnight to neutralize the odors. Just remember to pull them out before putting on your shoes or sneakers the next day. And like I mentioned before, it's not only just a good idea to use them for shoes, you can also use dryer fabric sheets for gym bags, vehicles inside of cars, book bags, and the list goes on. Number 3, salt. We all know that sneakers and other canvas shoes can get pretty smelly, especially if you wear them without socks in the summertime. And salt works great to knock the odor out and soak up the moisture too. Just occasionally sprinkle a little salt in your canvas shoes or shoes as a great deodorizer. Just make sure if you're using this method, over time you're going to need to clean some of the salt out of your shoes. Number 4, essential oils. Dripping a few drops of essential oils in your shoe will give them a nice, refreshing smell. If you can, try using eucalyptus, clove, or tea tree oil. And if you don't want to put that oil directly in your shoe, just take the oil and drip it onto a piece of paper or tissue and then put that in your shoe and let sit overnight. Number 5, rubbing alcohol. Yes, pouring a little bit of rubbing alcohol over the dirty or worn out part of your shoe will help with the smell. Now with this method, you don't want to get too much rubbing alcohol inside your shoe. You want to rub it on the outside or worn out part of your shoes. This will reduce the smell and help to disinfect the shoe. Number 6, black tea bags. Black tea contains tannins, which will work to kill bacteria that builds up in your shoes and help eliminate the smell. For this remedy, simply put a tea bag in some boiling water for 2 to 3 minutes. Then remove the bag and let it cool. After the tea bags cool down, simply put them in your shoes and let them sit for about an hour or 2. Now trust me, this does work well for deodorizing the smell of your shoes. After about an hour or 2, remove the tea bags and clean up any excess liquid that may be in your shoe from the moist tea bags. And number 7, baby powder. Using baby powder is a precautionary step that you can take before putting on your shoes to keep them from smelling. And you can use this method in 2 different ways. You can put the baby powder on your feet or sprinkle a little bit in your shoe. Either way will work well. Okay, well, that's all I got for today, and I hope you enjoyed today's video on how to keep your shoes from smelling with home remedies. Now, if you haven't already, click the link in the description and or the pinned comment, head on over to our blog, and get your free A to Z complete home remedy guide 100% free. It has over 2,000 plus homemade and natural remedies inside of it, and it's 100% free, and I know you're going to love it. Also, if you liked today's video, please give it a like and share it with your family and friends, as this helps us out a lot here at Remedies Insider, and it also helps us keep the channel going. And as always, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and tick that bell notification so you can be notified when I release a video. I am releasing videos weekly. Once again, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I'm Rob from Remedies Insider. Have a great day or night. Take care, and God bless.